Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is lesson 7, Asia. In this lesson we are going to learn about a continent we reside in, that is Asia. As Asia is one of the 7 continents and Asia is considered to be the most prominent and the largest continent. Asia is known to cover around 1/3 of the world's total landmass. So Asia is very important continent which has a number of countries and one of the most amount of population in the entire world. Let us look into the features of Asia and understand what differentiates Asia from the other continents. So firstly, as we know, Asia is the largest continent among the 7 continents and occupies around 1/3 of the world's landmass. Its extent is as huge as it runs from Black Sea to the west, from Japan to the eastern region. The total area of Asia is 4.5 million square kilometer and it extends from the latitude of about 10 degrees south to 80 degrees north. It has a small part of islands in the southern part of the equator. It has very less landmass to the south of equator, whereas a lot of landmass towards north of equator. When we talk about the longitudinal extent, it extends from 25 degree east to 170 degree west and also has a very long longitudinal extent. Now talking about the various landforms, Asia is considered to have a number of landforms because of its vast landmass. It has landforms such as mountains and home of largest plateau in the world, and also has landforms such as islands that belongs to Asia. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world that stands for about 8,848 meters above sea level, and Asia also has the lowest landform, that is Dead Sea, occurring 421 meters below the sea level. Now talking about the bordering continents and the bordering oceans of Asia, to the northern part of Asia there exists the Arctic Ocean, and to the southern part there is an Indian Ocean, and towards eastern part of Asia is bounded by the Pacific Ocean. Asia is a continent that has seas or oceans on the 3 directions, that is northern, southern and eastern direction. Towards the western part of Asia, it is separated from Europe by 3 physical features, that is Ural Mountains, the Caspian Sea which is the largest lake in the world, and the Ural River. These physical features separate Asia from Europe in the west. Along with that, if we see, the Asia continent is separated from North America by Bering Strait. The Suez Canal separates Africa and Asia. Asia also has the coldest place, that is Verkhoyansk in Siberia, and world's hottest place, that is Jacobabad in Sindh, is also found here. World's heaviest rainfall take place here in Mawsynram in Meghalaya in India. On the other hand, there are deserts in Central Asia. World's largest delta, that is Ganga-Brahmaputra Delta, is also found here. So children, today we have discussed the introductory part of Asia, in which we have studied some of the features of Asia, its location and extent. Thank you and keep learning.